Steyert. I'm back again today, and I'm super excited to do some math with you. Today, we're going to think about adding. What I need you to do is to find a pencil, a paper, and two different colored crayons or markers. I'm going to use red and blue, but you can use any two colors. So pause the video now and look for a paper, a pencil, and two colored markers or crayons. Great job. Okay, we're ready to start, and I'm so excited to talk about adding with you today. So the first thing we need to remember is that adding has all the stuff to do with Gus the Plus. This is Gus the Plus. Gus the Plus is this red plus sign in the middle. And this helps us remember that Gus the Plus holds numbers together. So if we have a 3 and a 5 and we see Gus the Plus in the middle, he's holding those numbers together. And we're going to find out how many numbers there are all together. So Gus the Plus is a happy guy. We will talk about Linus the Minus later. Today we're going to think about Gus the Plus. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a number sentence, and we are going to draw a picture sentence underneath that will help us understand the number sentence a little better, and it will help you add. So we're going to start by making a number sentence in color. The more we practice it, we can do it just in pencil, but the first few days that you do it, I want you to use your crayons when you're adding, which is super fun. So let's get started. I'm going to write a number sentence and show you how to make a picture sentence underneath, which will help you understand adding a little bit better. It will make it a little easier for you, I hope. So I'm going to write 3. Oh, we just saw this. What is this? Gus the Plus. Right, good job. 3 plus 2 equals. That's our number sentence. So we can read it like this. 3 plus 2 equals. We're trying to find out what it equals. And that's why we need our crayons. So let's get our crayons out, and it will help us understand what this big number sentence means. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the first number in our sentence. This number sentence starts with a 3. Another number sentence will start with another number, but let's look at this one, and it starts with 3. So I'm going to take my red crayon or marker and draw a circle around my first number. So I drew a red circle around my 3. That's going to help me remember that what I need to do is represent the number 3 with red circles underneath. It's going to make it easier to see it and understand it. So I put a red circle here, and I'm going to put 3 red circles under our number 3. When I draw my 3 red circles, I don't want them really big because I have other circles I'm going to draw in a little bit. I also need to make sure, though, that I can tell where one circle stops and another one ends, so I don't want my circles to be touching. Okay? So watch. I need 3 red circles. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them and make sure that I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Now, the next thing in my number sentence is this. What's this symbol? Right, that's Gus the Plus. So we say plus. 3 plus. I'm going to write that down here so that I remember that I'm adding. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus, what's our next number? Right, it's 2. I'm going to choose another another color to put a circle around my second number. I have blue. You can pick any color. Just make sure it's different than the first color. So I'm going to put a blue circle around my number 2. Now that reminds me that I'm going to make 2 blue circles under the number 2. So watch. 1, 2. Now, I'm going to bring this symbol down, which is equals. That just means that my sentence is almost over. It's going to tell us the total. Now, what I need to do next is remember that Gus the Plus holds the circles together, and we want to find out how many circles there are all together, because Gus the Plus is holding them together. So let's count them. Will you help me? Oh, super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles all together. That is the answer to my number sentence, or my addition problem. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Pretty fun, huh? Let's try it one more time. Let's pick some different numbers, okay? Super. Let's pick 4 plus, let's pick 1. 4 plus 1 equals. 4 plus 1 equals. Remember, this plus is Gus the Plus. And Gus the Plus, what does he do? Right, he holds the numbers together. So he's going to hold together the 4 and the 1, and we're going to find out what that equals. So the first thing I need to do is come back to the beginning of my number sentence and look at the 4, and I'm going to put a red circle around my first number. That tells me that I need how many red circles this time? Right, 4. So I'm going to draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, tell me again what this says. Plus, good job. And that means he holds the numbers together. I'm going to put it down here in my picture sentence so that I remember. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red circles. Now I'm going to circle my second number with a different color. I have blue. So I'm circling the number 1 in blue. And now how many blue circles am I going to put under the number 1? Right, just 1. Let's count the circles and find out how many there are all together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. You did a great job learning how to add with me. Tomorrow, we'll practice adding with you doing it. We'll see you soon. Bye.